Satnam.
Satnam.
I'm Mahanraj Kaur.
And I'm Mahanraj Singh.
And we're the Mahanrajas.
Mahanrajas.
Welcome, you guys. We're so excited. So the 5-day is starting up on Thursday. So we are tuning into you.
Yes, we are tuning into you.
We're working together, making all the final touches so that there's just so much healing and magic and love. We're so excited to be with you.
Yeah, and we're so excited to share in this transformation with you. We've put a lot of time and energy into creating this perfect recipe for you guys. So excited.
So excited. So just some tips. If you can, bring your lunch so that we can stay as a pod. So maybe do some shopping on Wednesday and get some things that you could have for lunch. Be on time. So we start Kundalini at 8 a.m. That means get there at 7:45. Get there, get your place set. Be on time. This is a ride, and you don't want to miss a thing.
Absolutely, and you don't want to have anything too heavy on early on Thursday morning either. Come in with a real light stomach.
Yeah.
Bring plenty of water, and be ready to break through all kinds of blocks in your life.
We're going to break through. And, just on Thursday night, if you can, stop watching TV around 8 o'clock. Let it go. Take a shower or a bath. Put on some mantra. Just start going into the zone. During this time, if you can stay away from caffeine, alcohol, sugar, and the news, you'll find that you really love it.
Yeah, and also, start putting something in your head, simple, the words Sat and Nam.
Satnam.
Just start putting those words in your mind, in your current of your thought process, and come into the training with that Satnam.
We love you. We're so excited. There is so much energy that is layered onto you every day so that it makes a significant impression in your subconscious and makes a significant elevation in your consciousness. We look forward to you. See you Thursday.
See you Thursday.
Thursday morning at 8 a.m. Waheguru.
Waheguru.
Satnam.